So hello Isa, how are you doing this evening?
Nag-aga si Kuya Bani sa video.
Okay lang.
Ba't okay lang? Di ba celebration ng debut mo ngayon? O pero ang saya-saya mo, which is what matters for today. So, let's start this evening by having you tell your some words of gratitude for our fellow guests. I'm sure excited silang lahat na makita ka at your full glory.
Thank you po sa pag-arabot nindo sa mga in-invite ko po. Especially po, kila King, Randel, and Ranel. Sinda po is friend ko since when I was in grade 11. Tindog ka mo. Tindog ka! Sinda ang pinaka